Mbanja hamwe n'abandi bajenya bezere nabo babandize kurambura irwareri amabiciro gembazi hamwe no kwemerumwe kugenda umisho umwirwaro nabwanyuma Enganzi y'ihanga ateireho rukiko hamwe na bamwe abakozi b'irwareri abatoreni nabwanyuma ashoborere ku bamwe abantu bakwakanisa government bari no batamu abakozi b'amarwaro ga government omunwa kwabasa kwesharinga.
It is after the opposition came into this hospital that we saw an industrial action on TV. I want members to note that in 2017-2019, this hospital was renovated and the renovation exercise is still ongoing. And I'm told when we are moving around the ward, that is the reason why we have a big influx of patients. The patient turn up raised because the hospital was renovated.
Felix Chigoma omwe ahabakwetomboita agize ngo batuye batakubashashura amashara yabo kurga ukwezi ku 12 umwaka ngwire kandi ubwahati nibabasha bakubashashura hakiri kutandukana no kwa kashatu. Dana Mutasingwa or State Minister Office y'umuhezi wa President kandi umunyishengero kazabwa Buikwe asharizemu ekigambwa ngo abantu aba bature batakushashurwa kurga ukwikumenabiri.
The staff was saying since December, but it was a lie because they had not gotten for June, which is this month. They had some staff had not gotten for March.
The cow will pay us.
Yes,
it's the one who pays them.
Who pays them? Yeah, but that's what he had told me. So it was. I don't think it was December. So we apologize for what was happening here, Madam Prime Minister, and we are going to work together to see how to solve it.
We Minister Nifakaweya yayoreka ubutashemerwa abo bakozi b'irwareri okutaho ubusharingobu butari mu mateka.
If you cannot do it within the staff management, you go to another high step where you have got the staff management, then you call in our bodies, then you sit down. When you find it is out of the way, you come to our ministry. When you have exhausted the ministry, you can go even to the Prime Minister. You can't reach this level and you don't know that there is a lead of government to listen. We also are answerable to a government structure. So I will not come here and babysit anybody to carry out an industrial action that touches the lives of the people.
Omwami Danistan balaba urkawo wa Buikwe yayoreka ubutashemerwa meeting hamwe n'abashaho abakubiha ngo batwire batakubashashura kurga ukwezi ku 12.
In question is the month of March. December, many of the employees did not get in those three categories. But when we are paying in January, we paid all of those who had missed salary in December. So there is nobody who says it is since December. So we paid in December, we paid in January, and we also paid in February. Now when it came to March, we decided as a team that let us not even submit the deductions so that the employees can be able to get the salary. But even the available money was not enough to pay. So we ran the whole salary payroll for the month of March.
Omurchikoru Felix Chigoma ashabura kusasura kandi yagira ngo ekigendererwa cyabo no kureba ngo batandika kufa ahabukubasasa.
To the country and to the office of the president for what happened. I am a peace-loving person. Honorable Anifa, you may not take it. I am a peace-loving person.
Nabwanyuma Enganzi y'ihanga umucyaro Robin Nabanja atebekanise urukiko hagati y'eby'amagara abebembezi ba district hamwe n'abashaho kurga umwirwareri kandi yabashaba ubutajwanze eby'obutegeki omuby'amagara.
The fact is the directive of not allowing those people who want to come and politicize over the lives of Ugandans must stop throughout the country. Not only here, but throughout the country. We shouldn't allow people who are looking for political favors to
come and do their politics in our health facilities.
Na bwanyuma Enganzi yihanga ashabere kubuhindura abo bona abakozi abakorera mu irwareri kumara ubwire burengwa.
What them transferred from here? Those who can be transferred to the peripheral health facilities. It's a directive. So that you bring in new blood. You know, that will break these cliques that we have seen happen here. Make sure you use your powers as the cow of this district. You have your human resource.
Omunyishengero Matthias Mpuga kandi urukuru bajuru kwakanisa government yarge yashobora kwata kwetenga buyanzi bw'Enganzi